This was shared from Eric Kurtz, where you're able to come in and build a prompt. I can come in and I'm able to build a powerful custom-made prompt for my classroom. I'm able to share the goals and the resources. I can also attach any resources I might have. And so from there, I can share a little bit more about this activity. Once I have all of these kind of limits, I have a checklist of any additional resources that I might need. So that is it. And then I can come in and have my prompt be created. And I can also think through each of the steps when creating a really helpful prompt that I might need in order to support my classroom with whatever I'm trying to create. And so again, it can look very helpful when I'm coming in and I want to maybe, gather some type of information or data that I want to use within my classroom. I can use this to help me build that really helpful prompt that can really help me as I'm building out this space.